Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Brick Trade app. First, you will need to download and install the app from your preferred app store. Once installed, open it to create your secure account. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to set up your profile, ensuring all details are accurate. This initial setup takes only a few moments, preparing you for a seamless trading experience right from the start. Now, let's dive into the core of the app, buying and selling. To buy, simply use the search function to find the exact brick type and quantity you need. For selling, list your bricks with detailed descriptions and high-quality photos to attract buyers. The app provides real-time pricing data, helping you make smart, profitable decisions. You can complete a transaction in just a few taps. Keeping track of your trades and inventory is straightforward. The app provides a dedicated section where you can monitor all your active buy and sell orders, seeing their status at a glance. You can also manage your brick inventory, ensuring everything is organized and accounted for. Plus, with instant notifications, you will always be informed about new listings or updates to your ongoing trades, keeping you ahead. Your security is a top priority. The Brick Trade app employs robust security protocols to ensure all your transactions are safe and protected. Should you ever have a question or need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is readily available to help. We also offer several advanced features designed to streamline your trading, making your experience both secure and highly efficient. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.